So most of you have already seen the lab free courses in the master sheet and you are asking that what are the lab free courses. Should we start now and we'll be getting the points for any lab free courses. So here we'll cover this topic. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. Coming to the topic directly without wasting any more time. So here if you want to understand what are lab free courses, if you come to the Arcade Facilitator homepage, you can see the website over here. Here, as a part of the syllabus, we have to complete some badges and earn some arcade points and reach some milestones over here. So here, lab courses are a part of Arcade Facilitator program, not Arcade program. So here, let me just tell you about the lab courses. What does it contain? If I open any lab courses, here it contains mostly documents and quizzes. When you complete this, you get these badges. But do we get points based on these lab-free courses in arcade games, means arcade program directly without the facilitator program? So the answer is no. If you see the point system of the arcade program, there is no mention of lab-free courses anywhere. You can get the point for the skill patches. That too we are suggesting to avoid it. But if you still have any exams, you can complete the skill badges. But for lab-free courses, there is no point in the arcade point system. Then why everyone is talking about the lab-free courses? So lab-free courses is a part of the Arcade Facilitator program bonus system. If you come to the point system, let me show you the previous year cohort system. So if you see here, we have to complete arcade games, trivia games, skill badges, and the lab-free courses. They have mentioned all 24 provided lab-free courses. Now here they have mentioned provided. So what does provided means? Why they have not mentioned in the arcade games, trivia games, and even in skill patches? So as per the rule, as per the previous rule, you could complete any skill badges from the master sheet. Okay, master sheet or from this website too. So they have mentioned that total 92 plus skill badges are there. Out of 92, any 52 skill badges you can complete for reaching this ultimate milestone. For lower milestone, you can just calculate. I'm just giving you a raw example. Also, it will be updating every year. Similarly, for the lab free courses, you cannot select at your own, means they'll be providing the lab free courses. If you come to the syllabus section and just scroll down, you can clearly see that there are lab free courses over here. Okay, so you have to complete only the lab free courses which are listed over here in this page. Okay, only which is listed on the syllabus page. Do not worry, the Arcade Facilitator program is not started yet. If you want to know about the Arcade Facilitator program and want to become a facilitator too, for all the resources I've linked the video, you can watch it. But as of now, you have to avoid it. In simple words, what the lab free course contain, it's simple: lessons, quizzes, etc. No labs are there. So here, arcade free lab free courses, if you try to complete without the Arcade Facilitator program, with the point system, you can clearly see there is no points. So you're simply wasting the points. And when the Arcade Facilitator program will start, you have to create a new account. One more query most of the guys were asking, that I have created the account in January and playing January games in the account. Can I use the same account for the Arcade Facilitator program? Yes, you can use. Make sure you don't do any of the skill badges and any lab courses. Why I am saying it, I am just explaining it again. For example, if you come to the point system, this point system will be updated every year. Okay, so if you complete, suppose you completed all 12 arcade games, 8 trivia games, 52 skill badges also, but due to as you completed all the 23, suppose you completed 2 lab free courses earlier to the registration, then you will be having 22 lab free courses. So you won't be eligible for the 25 bonus points. So that's why I'm recommending avoid lab free courses. First of all, it's not giving any point, then why to complete? If for learning purpose, if you want, you can complete it. There is no issue. But if you are targeting swags, better points, then avoid the lab free courses at all costs. Similarly, do with the skill badges. But if you are having exams, you can complete skill badges and you can avoid the Arcade Facilitator program, because most of the subscribers were saying that we are having some exams in May and April. Okay, so how will participate? So you can just continue now. But if you're not having any exams and you want more points, just avoid the skill badges and lab free courses. I have cleared your doubts. And one more important thing, all these 12 games and arcade games need to be earned in that time only. For example, whenever the facilitator, for example, it starts from May to June, then you have to earn all these milestones in that time only. Like you have to complete 12 games, 8 trivia games, 52 skill badges. If you complete all these before, suppose it starts from 1st of April and you completed it in February or March, you won't be eligible for this bonus points and these milestone bonus points. Okay, so I hope you understood the thing. One more query you might be having in your mind, that what will happen to the January to June points, whatever we earn. Okay, January to March point. Okay, March point. What will happen to the all 33 points? So it will be added later on. But for getting bonus points in the milestone, you need to complete these tires, means these games during that time only. So I hope it clears your doubt. Make sure to avoid the lab courses and skill badges, because lab courses are only to be completed at that time only. When the facilitator program starts, you can see there is a different point system for the arcade facilitator program, which is totally different from the arcade program. So I hope it clears your doubt. If you're not understanding anything, just leave the skill badges and the lab courses. As of now, just complete the arcade games which are listed over here. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.